going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I feel like it's been forever since I rode this thing. She's sounding great today. So it's kind of running out of things to talk about in the video. And I was just thinking, I was like, what do I get asked a lot that I could cover in a video? And that is what I use for my motovlogging setup. And I did a lot of research for what GoPro to use, what media mod to use. Finally, I put everything together, and I think it's honestly one of the best sounding motovlog setups you can get when you put all this together. So I can't cover anything on the Hero 9 or the 10. I've heard bad things about the 10, but that's, you know, it's just a rumor. I can't tell you if it's good or not. But I can tell you from having a Hero 8, and it sat for a long time, probably 2 years it sat, and then I just picked it up and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna start motovlog. It has its moments. I have to make sure it's charged, and I have to like cram everything into the first half hour of the ride. It sucks because I wish I could just keep it going like others do, but at this time I don't really have the money to go out and buy a brand new 9 or 10 or whatever it is GoPro. So I said, okay, I got the GoPro, now what do I do? So I looked up a lot of the adapters for the mics. I didn't like the big bulkiness on the side, and a lot of people said don't do media mod, but I said I'm gonna take the risk. So when I got the media mod, I was like, great, now I have these two together, what else do I need? So I went and looked up what's the best mic. It didn't matter if it was a motovlog setup or not. Purple Panda had like the best sounding mic out there, and I must say the reviews were not wrong. This is 100% the best mic you can get. All it is it's stuck right on the other side of my helmet. It's ran out, and you have to plug in the adapter. When I got it, I plugged it in, and I was like, great, I can get a video. And it was nothing but crackly sounding, but you know, I didn't read the paperwork. I wanted to get it on and just make a video. That came back to bite me. Of course, I got no video doing it because it just didn't record anything. So once you get your GoPro and you have the media mod and you have your mic, the only thing you need is a little mount. And of course, some of them are, if you have a more expensive helmet with like curvature on the bottom or the kind of mid part there, you're gonna need a special mount. Mine thankfully had just kind of a flatter bottom, so I could just use a universal mount, and it's been holding up fantastic. I mean, I've had this on for, I think, close to 8-9 months, and I've had no problems. But that right there is what I recommend for anything to do with motovlogging. I'll be sure to link all of this down below. Now, I haven't really gotten to the vlogging aspect yet, but when I do have a camera back at home, just a Canon, and hopefully that thing does pretty well. To the people that came across my channel, whatever video it may have been, even if it was this one, I just want to say we came across a huge milestone, and that's 50,000 views. So I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It really means the world to me. Sorry for the different setting, got caught in the rain. But if you guys liked the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new, and we'll see you on the flip side. Peace.